There they go. So we are at the gym here, and I ran into my boy Cece. Hey! He's over at the gym, they're working out, and he came by to say hi to me, and I appreciate it.
No problem.
You want to say hi?
Well, I've been here 2 years. I moved down here from Miami, and thanks to this gentleman, he taught me the tricks of the trade here, how to get around Gatlinburg, and I'm very thankful. This guy's the real deal. I mean, he doesn't play around, he tells you how it is. So thank you very much.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Pleasure.
Thank you. Name's Cece. I love that.
Take care.
Like Cece Rodriguez, the old, used to be a golfer named Cece
really?
Rodriguez back in the day. So
Okay.
I think he's Cuban.
Well, I'm Cuban too.
There you go.
There you go, sir.
So thank you,
nice seeing you
Cece.
guys.
I appreciate it.
Pleasure, my brother.
Bye, guys.
Take care.
That is so awesome. Love it. He awesome. Every day he comes out of the gym, he's always waving to me. So thank you, buddy. I appreciate it. My day is made. So here we are. We're in lovely Gatlinburg, and it's someone's birthday. Come on, guys.
Hey, I'm here.
Oh, come on, guys.
It's my birthday.
And how old are you?
21. Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bella. Happy birthday to you. Hello. So just got off work, and I'm gonna walk around and show you guys what's going on. The day is kind of up and down, slow, busy, back and forth. They are out with the pumpkins, in with the snowmen, as you just saw. So it is officially Christmas time in Gatlinburg. Now that you're gonna see snowmen all over town now. So hopefully they have some new ones. That would be pretty cool. Every year they have a new snowman or a new pumpkin, so go check it out. Also, mind you, short sleeves. November, 70 degrees out. Welcome to Gatlinburg. As they say, you don't like the weather? Wait 5 minutes. And yes, the leaves are still up. I tell everybody, hey, wait until November to come see the leaves. They're not gonna go anywhere. I highly advise you, if you are to come to Gatlinburg, come in November when the leaves are still here, the crowd has thinned out a little bit. Less headaches, less traffic, as you can clearly see. Now, I don't know if they're gonna decorate these or just let it be as the trolley goes by. But if you ask me, I like them the way they are. But then again, I will say that I think it's a little too early to put the Christmas stuff out, but I'm old-fashioned, I guess. But this is the worst time of the day to be walking around, because when you get to the Parkway here, the sun will be right in your eyes, just like that, where you can't see a single thing. Alright, here's the first one. I don't know how many they have total, but there's the first one. And I'm laughing because you've got snowmen over here, and you still have the fall harvest over here. So it's a little bit of everything right now. So see how long that lasts. So I get they're working their way up and down the Parkway, because you can see you got another snowman up here as someone about to get ran over because nobody pays attention to where they're going. You can see got a pumpkin over there and a snowman right there. So they are obviously working their way up and down the street. I remember last year when I was working at the Skybridge, And it was pretty cool watching them how they were doing it. Those things weigh a ton. I think I'm going to walk around here. I wonder how long that's going to be there. Oh, come on. You know I've got to do this. Come on now. Oh, my gosh.
Oh, the Gatlinburg husband.
I'm on a diet. Hi.
Hello, I've seen you on the tube.
I'm sorry?
I've seen you on YouTube.
Well, hi. My name's Sean.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you. Are we Ole Miss or Bulldog fans?
Ole Miss.
Ole Miss. All right. Hey, you're doing good this year.
Yeah.
Doing better than Tennessee.
Yeah.
Bye, ladies. Have a good night.
Bye.
So cool. So cool. I always love that. Makes my day. So as you see the pumpkin behind me there, soon to be a snowman. We're going on. This is the first time on here. Hello, hello. Thank you for coming on and saying hi. Thank you for following if you have already. But I've been going on here for about 2 years now. And to this day, it's still cool to meet people like that young lady saying hello. It never gets old. It will never get old. I am very grateful for you guys. I'm very blessed. It's awesome. So thank you guys so much. Yeah, let's see how our buddies are doing over here. No new shoes, no hand. My goodness. He's still looking at a wall. I don't know what she's looking at. Real action. Real. Well, one good thing about the time change, you're not blinded by the sun for a whole hour walking up and down the Parkway. Thank goodness. Thank goodness. This gentleman, I don't know what's up over here, but ask me about my recurring dream. I wonder what recurring dream he has. Here. Pray that nobody gets hit. So once again, I hate this building right here because it takes the charm. You cannot see the Gatlinburg Inn, the oldest hotel in Gatlinburg. You cannot see it because of this ugly, hideous box. This is where Puckers will be and China Bazaar, but that is just I don't like it. And from what I'm hearing, not too many people like it. So it's a shame. Oh, there's another snowman right there. We got 3 over there. But yeah, right there at the Gatlinburg Inn. And I was hearing that people that stay at the Gatlinburg Inn are going to be upset because they normally are staying around there. And when they go to look out their window, that thing's going to be right in front of them. So I understand their frustration. Up, dinner time. That's where you heard those bells, right there. That's one of the oldest churches in Gatlinburg right there. It was just just a couple years ago, you could look up and you would see minimal houses. And now it's just cabin, 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 condo, condo. I get it, times are changing, but, you know, like I said, thank goodness they could not build in a national park. Thank goodness. But Gatlinburg needs to put a stoplight on all this building and calm down for a few minutes, if you ask me. Man, he gets around. I don't know how he was able to get up that fast. I was just following him like, what, 5 minutes ago? 5 minutes ago. My goodness gracious. Here's the slice of pizza. Here's the Space Needle. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm walking away. I'm walking away here. Way up the Space Needle. So in about 3 days, today's Monday, this is where the chili cook-off is going to be, which I will be attending. .120 Historic Nature Trail. Last year I did it for the first time. I loved it. Met Adam the Woo. Met plenty other YouTube gentlemen and ladies. I had a great time. So I am definitely looking forward to this year's event. Maybe Adam will show up. I heard that he was heading southbound. So the possibility of Mr. Adam coming to Gatlinburg is, I would say, a 9 out of 10 right now. How are you?